Welcome home. This is Jacob Trimman with Keller Williams Advantage Realty and the Anderson Alliance team. Today I'm at our brand new listing, 79 Woodbine Place. This beautiful one bedroom, one bath is conveniently located in Pine Cliff, which is 45 minutes from downtown Denver and less than 30 minutes from Eldora Ski Resort. Another great feature about this property is the very private land and the beautiful mountain views. Let's take a look. So what did you think? My favorite feature has to be the interior updates with the beautiful woodwork. Again, this is Jacob Trimman with Keller Williams Advantage Realty and the Anderson Alliance team. I look forward to showing you this property in person.